I think it is evident that both actions that have been taken this past week are premature and indeed bring disgrace to Jamaica's reputation. The fact is, Mr. Speaker, we have never expropriated the property of any investor in Jamaica before. It is a dangerous precedent for us to set. And indeed it is premature because the joint venture agreement which exists between Petrojam and PDVSA provides for, among other things, mediation, arbitration, and even outside of that, the government could have used the good offices of friendly states, CARICOM states, other states in the region such as Cuba or others to seek an amicable solution before indicating this extreme measure of expropriation. So we must wonder about the timing of such an announcement. And the question is, why choose to announce when the legislation isn't even ready, and when the committee that has been set up to look at the financial viability of Petrojam is not due to report until May, according to the information that is available to the public? Why choose that time? One is left to draw the conclusion, Mr. Speaker, that the timing had to do with a decision that had been taken to vote in the OAS not to recognize the Maduro regime. Now let me say this, Mr. Speaker, that also was ill-advised. Jamaica has had and has now relations with many countries, and we don't have to support the internal operations of that state. We don't have to be coy about the fact that there are many things that are wrong in Venezuela, but Venezuela deserves to be treated with respect as a sovereign country. Mr. Speaker, I know time is going. I will simply make this point. If we don't behave honorably towards our friends, we soon will have no friends.
Thank you, Dr. Phillips.
Venezuela, whether that side was in office or when we were in office between 2010 and 2013, when no other state would provide any financial support for Jamaica, not only Venezuela, but the Maduro government was the only state that enabled us to survive when oil was selling for $120 a barrel and $140 a barrel. I say that, but I also say, Mr. Speaker, we have relations with many states. We recognize North Korea. We recognize Cuba. We recognize China. We are not saying that all those internal political arrangements are ours. Mr. Speaker, the government should quit now, should reverse itself and bring back Jamaica's reputation.
Thank you very much.